The reason we chose the 303 RLS was we really liked the floor plan, the way the furniture faced the TV, the way it was very relaxed. We love the colors that are in it. It fit our lifestyle better, and it was very comfortable furniture that was in it, the cooking area. And I really wanted an island, and this has a center island in it. So all those were reasons that we went to the 303. We went to the Grand Design because they have great customer service. They were on the phone with us even before we bought it. We had questions, they talked to us. We went to our local RV dealer. They went through a number of different designs that we could look at, and we've had great service and responsibility from also the RV people and from Grand Design whenever we've had a problem.
The reason why I like Grand Design is their customer service is outstanding. I said, we've had this problem here at this rally. They're here today. They came by, they took pictures, they said, we're not having this problem. And they're a lot better in their quality than most things are. And they want you happy. You know, because without happy customers, there ain't no Grand Design. And they're really good. They back what they build. And that's why I like them the most.